Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable automatic live caption for audio and video in Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Chrome browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the left sidebar of Chrome settings, select this one option accessibility. On the right under accessibility, you will find this one live caption. Turn on this one toggle switch to enable live caption on your Chrome browser. And in case you want to add a few languages for live caption, you can click on this one add languages button. And here you will find three options: French, German, and Italian. Select the language and click on this one add button to add that particular language on your Chrome browser. After that, play any video or music, and if your language is supported by Google Chrome, you will see live caption on the screen. For example, I have a English video in English, and you can see live caption will start
अभी मैं
automatically
आपसे कहूँ कि इस
without
वीडियो में
turning
आपको
on
जैसे सेटिंग्स बतानी
it.
बताऊँ
You
जो
can see
जैसे
this one
आपका
live
विंडोज
caption.
11 है वो दौड़ेगा नहीं भागेगा तो आपको कैसा लगेगा। नमस्ते दोस्तों,
Like
मेरा नाम है
this,
मनोज सर
live
और
caption
अभी
works on
विज्ञान
Chrome
जगत में
browser.